California fires live. Los Angeles, wildfires. Rage as strong winds put thousands on alert. Los Angeles, January 13th. California is facing yet another wildfire crisis as strong Santa Ana winds continue to fuel the rapid spread of flames across Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Over 30,000 acres have already been scorched, leaving thousands of residents on high alert and prompting widespread evacuations. The infamous Santa Ana winds, gusting at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, have turned the wildfires into a force of nature that is nearly impossible to contain. Embers are being carried miles ahead of the fire front, igniting new blazes and creating an unpredictable and dangerous situation for firefighters and residents alike. Fire Chief Brian Henderson called the conditions a perfect storm, warning that the strong winds combined with dry vegetation and low humidity could lead to even more devastation in the coming days. Thousands of residents have been forced to evacuate their homes, with entire neighborhoods in Los Angeles County under mandatory evacuation orders. Shelters are rapidly filling up as families seek refuge from the encroaching flames. "It's terrifying to leave your home not knowing if it'll still be standing tomorrow," said Lisa Carter, an evacuee from Woodland Hills. The fires have already destroyed over 200 structures, including homes and businesses, while critical infrastructure such as power lines and highways remains at risk. More than 1,500 firefighters are battling the flames with the aid of helicopters and air tankers. Despite their efforts, containment remains at just 20%, and officials warn that worsening winds could spark new fires or expand existing ones. As Los Angeles braces for another challenging day, residents are urged to stay updated, follow evacuation orders, and prioritize safety. The fight against these relentless wildfires continues,